We got an update on M&H Hot Rod Shop. Let's see what we got going on here. The old shop truck. Boy, that thing looking good now, ain't it? Alright, and this is what we got in the garage now. Then polished up that old grill. Made that thing look good. We're going to do a shop truck out of this one. A little bit of patchwork. I'm putting a new rocker and cab corner in. Had to do a little bit of patchwork on some rust holes and stuff, and we're gonna leave the patina best we can. Got some red oxidized primer coming, so I can prime with that, so get that rust look. Yeah, it's a pretty sharp truck. We're gonna mini tub it. Got my new filtration set up. Show y'all where it starts and finishes. Comes off right there, slide uphill, bend it around and back up. And I got me a small dryer. That's my main hose. Do all my sanding using air tools and stuff like that. Pumping up tires. Then it comes off this T. Comes straight up and around the corner, back down. Goes down to the bottom down there, and it starts back up this wall. Keeps a steady incline. Got a little T with a little water trap right there. Got my shelves in there, some paint, clear up top, paint on the bottom. My nice little trophy and bondos and fillers and primers and all that good stuff there. Pipe keeps coming up, goes around, comes down the wall, curves back, goes back up into my filtration system, goes to the T, goes down to a hookup from a spray gun on this side, goes back up the wall, all the way across the roof. And then, as you can see, I got another hookup for an air hose for spraying on that side. Pretty good little setup. Ought to work pretty good. But anyway, that's it for now. I'll have an update soon.